Alright, good Monday afternoon, guys. Southern New England and beyond forecast video. This is Anthony Siciliano. It's the Monday, December 6th, 2010. Get right into this. Look at this massive retrograding storm that's coming out of northeastern Canada, backing into Maine, which has produced blizzard conditions. 10 to 20 inches of snow reported already. You can see how we got some clouds coming down, even into northern southern New England. Pretty clear in southeast Mass. There have been some flurries on and off in the Rocky Hill, Connecticut area. And look at these temperatures, aren't helping at all. Teens, 20s, north 30s, south. Wind is kicking up, and that is making it feel even chillier than it is. So the wind chill values in the teens, 20s. Bundle up if you're going to the Patriots game tonight. You're going to need those extra layers. Go Pats, by the way. And look at this radar. You can see that storm backing in. Still heavy amounts of snow into Maine. Blizzard conditions. We got snow reported into New Hampshire, Vermont, up and down the Green Mountains, western Massachusetts, the Berkshire. Some flurries reported in Connecticut as well. And of course you got them coming off the favorite areas of the Great Lakes. That looks to continue as I see it now, guys. Let's take a look on the future cast. You see that snow with the storm that'll be backing in will be disintegrating. We'll still have some snow showers coming off the lakes, but we look to remain pretty dry here in southern New England, as you can see, right up until Wednesday. Still can't rule out these flurries from time to time, guys, so keep that in the back of your head as you're out and about. Just lift your holiday spirits if you see them coming around. As far as the snowfall precipitation forecast goes, still 12 inches plus for Caribou, 6 to 12 for other spots in Maine and northern Vermont. Pretty much all of New York's going to get hammered with some snowfall, except southeast New York, up and down the Appalachians, Pennsylvania, and western Virginia. 6 to 12, 12 inches plus, certainly not out of the question for these guys. So here's our setup when I'm looking at a potential major storm December 12th. We're going to extend that into the 15th, I think, because model's having a hard time hinging. But you can see a classic setup on the left there with the precipitation, and this one's going to have some wind with it if it does occur. This all hinges on the track of the storm, which we'll get to in a second here. But this is a classic setup, something you want to see if you want your chances of snow to increase across the northeast here. Huge trough that'll be digging up. Let's take a look at this forecast model in animation, again showing that retrograding storm. It did a good job with that. That should fizzle out. One thing that's coming into your picture here on the right side of your screen, I'm watching for later Saturday into Sunday, is an Alberta clipper that'll dive to the south-southeast and could bring us, at this point in time, it's looking like could bring 1, 2, maybe 3, 4 inches of snow if it does decide to pick up more moisture, as some of these Alberta clippers do, as you see right there in eastern Massachusetts. A little bit of intensification off the Atlantic, little ocean enhancement. So we're going to have to watch for that, guys. Again, that would be Friday into Saturday. That moves out, and look what's coming for December 12th into the 15th. 540 line close, but as of this model run, it would be all rain. But again, guys, it's a huge high-stake event that has to be watched. Let's get back into those tracks, which are going to be very important. There's two possible scenarios with the track, guys. Track 1, which would take it up through Virginia, Baltimore, DC, right over the Baltimore, DC area, right over west of New York City into the Berkshires, and then right up into northern New England. That would mean mostly snow in the western quadrant and rain for the big cities up and down the I-95 corridor. Now, track 2, simply put, major snowstorm, nor'easter, blizzard, however you want to look at it, guys. So again, a lot of models to look at. Forecast for Tuesday, looking partly sunny Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Can't rule out a chance of flurries. High on Tuesday of 40, 39 on Wednesday, 35 on Thursday. Again, that chance of an Alberta clipper coming late Friday into Saturday. We'll have more on that later tonight with our graphic and throughout the week. Chilly nights in the 20s and teens, guys. So winter's definitely here. We just need some snow, and I think that pattern's beginning to change as we head into Thanksgiving. Big shout out to a buddy of mine, stormtopia.com. Great site, and it has been growing and growing as each day passes. Very popular site, loaded with information, videos, teleconnections, the Northern Atlantic Oscillation values, computer models. She gives the time of the model. You can click directly on the link to get right to that model, bring you to the latest data from that prospective model. Just an excellent feature, again, from stormtopia.com. It's a very well put together site. Just so be sure to visit that, guys. There are some other things there to visit as well. And of course, my site, southernnewenglandweather.com. You can visit that for constant updates as well. So be sure to check that out, guys. That's it for today. Again, Anthony for SouthernNewEnglandWeather.com. Over and out, guys.